Hello guys and girls also. This is P.K.Kumawat, in short PK sir. Today I am going to start a new YouTube channel, that is the Universe of Atoms. I am postgraduate in chemistry with an experience of 15 years of teaching in private as well as government sector. This channel will help those students who are not getting up to the mark in classroom teachings. I assure you all that my channel will help not only for CBSE curriculum students but also for state board curriculum exams. Here you will find the study material as well as lectures on for class 11th, 10th, 12th, means board classes as well as non-board classes. I assure you that this will help those students also who are preparing for medical entrance exams as well as engineering entrance exams. I will try my best to make you reach your goals. All the best. Do subscribe my channel, share and like. That is the end of the video. Bye bye.